How to change TikTok username before 30 days. For this, open your TikTok and then tap on profile icon at the bottom and then go to your three dot icon at the top. Head to settings and privacy. Scroll down and tap on report a problem. For that, you have to go ahead and tap on account and profile. Now, from this list, you have to go ahead and select unable to change username. You can thoroughly read the article that it will pop out. Then go ahead and tap on No. If you scroll down a little, you will see Need More Help option. Tap on it. Now from here, you have to go ahead and add description of your problem. You can also add a screenshot or a video by tapping on the graphic icon at the bottom. So in the description box, you can type something like this, that you would like to change your username as it was changed for an absurd reason and kindly help. Now once you do that, you can go ahead and tap on submit bubble right here, and after a couple of days, TikTok team will get back to you with a solution. Make sure to give it a try, and thank you so much for watching.